In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly switch between Google Chrome tabs using your keyboard. Mastering this simple yet effective technique will help increase your productivity, whether you're a student juggling research, a professional managing multiple projects, or simply enjoy efficient browsing. So let's dive in. First, let's make sure you have Google Chrome open and ready. Once you're set, take a moment to glance at the tabs you already have open in your browser. Now, here's where the magic begins. If you're on a Windows or Linux computer, hold down the Control key. For those on a Mac, you'll use the Command key. With these keys held down, press the Tab key to move to the next tab on the right. It's like flicking through a magazine and finding the exact page you need without losing your groove. What if you'd like to go backwards, you ask? Easy peasy. Simply keep pressing the Shift key along with the Control or Command key as you tap Tab. This will shift your browsing back to the left tab by tab. It's a smooth sailing backward and forwards without taking your hands off the keyboard or eyes off the screen. This particular technique keeps you in the flow without any disruptions. Here's a nifty pro tip. If you prefer jumping directly to a specific tab instead of cycling through them, you can do that too. For instance, if you wish to jump straight to the third tab along, hold down the Control or Command key and hit the number 3. Each number, from 1 to 9, corresponds to a tab from left to right, and yes, if you hit number 9, it will take you directly to the very last tab, which is a handy shortcut when you have numerous tabs open. In cases where your work involves constantly referencing between the first and last tabs, leveraging these shortcuts can transform how efficiently you browse. And if at any moment you feel unsure, pausing and trying a practice round with fewer tabs can build your confidence until it becomes second nature. Practicing these shortcuts not only saves you time, but also the hassle of clicking through each tab and potentially disturbing your workflow. It's perfect for multitaskers, control enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates a smoother browsing experience. Remember, the more you use these shortcuts, the more intuitive your browsing becomes. So there you have it. With just a few simple key combinations, you can transform your browsing experience in Google Chrome, thereby tackling everyday digital tasks with ease, comfort, and soon, with speed. I hope you find this guide incredibly useful, and remember to practice these key combinations regularly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.